In the first week of December, between 8th and 12th of December, I plan to be in Muscat in the Sultanate of Oman. Those who would like to see me in Oman can get in touch with my team. There's a WhatsApp number given below and there's an email ID also given below. So those desirous of getting in touch with me at the Sultanate of Oman, especially in the city of Muscat from 8th to 12th of December, can definitely contact me there. I hope to see you all in Oman soon. Thank you for watching. Be rich.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Be Rich. Today we're going to talk about the interesting fact which has come out on Twitter, and Anand, we were talking about it, is the 1.2 lakh layoff on tech sector in the US alone. I think US alone, and the major tech players which are the ones who are rolling out these layoffs are Amazon, then Facebook, and then Twitter. Of course, Twitter, Elon Musk cut 11,000 people, then 5,000 contract workers, while Facebook, Meta, finally Zuckerberg caved into the investors and he's laying off 11,000. And Amazon now is laying off 3% of their workforce, mainly in Alexa and their online gaming platforms. While the Indian startup sectors like your Byju's and
Oh, no,
Ola,
no,
all of
no.
them are.
That and all is separate.
Uh,
The major American tech guys are throwing out 1,20,000 people across the world.
Correct.
Now, the major effect first effect is being faced in Ireland because Ireland fashioned itself as a capital for tech.
Tech, yes.
They kept taxes very low,
Yes, to
so
attract.
to attract these people, and thousands of employees were there.
Correct.
And
Lots of them even relocated headquarters there.
a lot of them moved their headquarters there because their taxes was at 12.5%.
Yes.
And what happened is, a lot of people migrated. The whole economy was doing well.
Correct.
Now, with this firing just before Christmas, Ireland is in serious trouble.
Yes.
This was the first impact to a country.
First wave.
Yeah. Then there has been, before this itself, a wave in India where a lot of companies have closed down. The big guys have thrown out people. Swiggy has thrown out people. Ola has got rid of people.
Correct.
Baiju has got rid of people.
Correct.
All the big ones have got rid of people.
Yes.
And this is going to get, Oyo has got rid of people and this is going to get worse.
Correct.
And these are not low paying jobs that are going.
Dark days ahead.
These are core engineering jobs as they call them.
Correct.
So people must be making a lakh plus 100,000 rupees plus
Correct.
a month. So a lot of people are going to find it difficult.
Correct.
And people in Amazon and people whom I know there have started calling me and saying, you are predicting a recession 1 year down the line. We can feel it coming.
Correct.
This is not the recession. What has happened
The
is
precursor. Not even the precursor.
the party is not yet started. This is the trailer.
The trailer. Okay.
This is in division.
The rumbles.
Yeah, because these are what Google's founders call moonshot bets.
Okay. True.
Because
Correct. Alexa and Luna and all are moonshot bets. Yes.
These are 20-year-old. See, for 20 years you have had very low interest rates.
Correct.
Plenty of money being supplied by central banks.
Yes.
And no inflation.
Correct.
Now, inflation is refusing to come down.
Correct.
In India, it has come down because of base effect.
Correct.
In US, it's marginally down.
Correct.
In America, it's up. In UK, it's up 2%.
Correct.
That means the world is going to have a higher interest rate regime.
Correct.
For a longer period of time than what most people are predicting even today. Mortgages rates in America are 7%.
True.
And never in the history has it happened that interest rates come back to 2% without interest rates being higher than nominal rates. So American nominal rate is interest rate is 7.7. That means if the Fed's discount rate has to be at 7.8 for inflation to start falling. So these are minor corrections. If the Fed stops, a 0.5% means they are still on track. If they pause and pivot, that means inflation will reignite. So we are already celebrating, markets are celebrating as if the inflation is conquered.
True.
You don't understand there's going to be a 0.5 coming in December.
True. Very true.
Another 0.5 coming up in March.
Very true.
So we are looking at 1% higher than here.
Correct.
Then there is another problem. The Fed is tightening in the sense that like it kept on printing money to buy government bonds and corporate bonds. Now it is allowing bonds which are mature to expire and not putting money back in.
Correct.
So money is also big. It's
It's
shrinking its
removing.
balance. It's removing money from the market
Correct.
along with higher rates. So this means that even the size of the balance sheet is shrinking, but very slowly. Amazon did not make profits for a very long time till their cloud division took off.
Correct.
They were sustaining themselves on cash flows.
Correct.
Now cash flows have become to strain.
Correct.
So they have to conserve cash. So what all these tech companies, which were using their stock as currency to acquire other companies, have realized that money is tight, money is going to get tighter, and for the foreseeable future. So they are preparing themselves for the storm, which is going to come.
Absolutely right. In the exact vein, what you said is what I even read an article in Economist, which said even a global recession may not crush inflation. That they're saying because of what you said, there's optimism already in the market. But just with a little bit of this, and the
Yes.
energy crisis is solved, and China thing is, investors are again
Yes, because they have so much money floating with them.
correct.
So what will happen is the fact that they celebrated that inflation is going down, they pushed up the dollar price of petrol of crude oil by $2-3.
Correct.
That means what? If commodities goes up, inflation is going to go up.
Correct.
Sending euphoria by investors acts as a reflexive action in increasing inflation.
Correct.
So interest rates have to go a lot higher
Correct.
before at which
Because historically, we in 2005 and 2000s,
you are in 1980s, boss.
yeah,
England has gone back as early as 1977.
41 years ago. Yeah.
1977.
Yeah.
So none of in 1977 I was 10 years old.
Correct. So there's no.
My grandfather was still alive.
None of us know what this is.
None of us know what we are getting into.
Correct.
So to make predictions is being bold
Correct.
and foolish. You may still be right, but Howard Marks says, just because you guessed right does not mean you knew what was
Yeah,
happening.
like that old saying, two
Yeah.
times a day, even a broken clock is correct.
Yes. So we do know exactly what is happening. We do not know what is going to happen. We don't know when this tightening will end. And therefore, any premature celebration is
Sheer
risky,
madness.
sheer madness. What the sacking indicate is money is tight, people want to conserve cash. All these moonshot bets are over. A lot of people are going to have a lot of hardship because this paycheck means what they have done is banks have gone and financed them. So real estate is going to be in serious trouble. These guys cannot pay mortgages. They can't pay their credit card bills. They can't pay their vehicle loans. All these
True.
guys are fully over leveraged.
Yes.
Yesterday I did a dipstick of people who are 1.5 to 2 lakhs salary, whom I know. They are privileged to the hilt with free cash flow of only 15 to 20,000 rupees. So if they don't have free cash, that means if they lose their job, they have to find 1.5 lakhs every month from next month to put food on the table. This is really a scary situation, and this will only get worse.
And we have no clue how long it's going to be.
Yes, especially those who who have taken moonshot bets.
Correct.
It is not.
Because there's huge resistance by the market to swallow the medicine. Though the central bank is trying to serve the medicine.
No, you don't. You don't believe
Correct.
because you have come to rescue. See this tiger story.
Correct.
The goatman calling tiger, and when the real tiger came, nobody comes.
Comes. Correct.
Because whenever tiger, they said
Correct.
the banks, central banks went and gave a lot of money. Now they feel the real tiger is coming, and the central bank is looking other way, saying 4-5 goats have to die before I can get in.
Before I decide.
Yeah. So this is really, especially companies which are highly leveraged, are in serious trouble.
Terrible times.
Very terrible times, because if winter is coming and the winter is cold, and Russia is desperately attacked Poland, and I remember the phony war of 1939, where everybody declared war against Hitler and sat in their house,
Correct.
thinking he's not coming to them.
Correct.
So the same Poland was hit by missiles, and Joe Biden said it was not the Russians.
Correct. Poland was attacked, but by friendly fire, they say.
It was not friendly fire.
I don't think so either. But anyway, if you do have extra cash and you do have loans, please think of closing your loans. Don't think you can escape this. Do not keep your
See, I
leverages
may be
open.
wrong, and I wish I am wrong, that things won't get worse.
Correct.
But it is better to be safe than sorry.
It's better to be prudent.
Yeah. I hope none of you or your close friends are affected by this. And let's hope it just blows over but looking very bad. Thank you for watching. Be rich. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button of my channel, and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. And kindly persuade your friends and relatives to subscribe to our channel. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.